And Olodumare said to them, so our own ancestors, the Yoruba ancestors, did not relegate women to the last bottom. You know, we don't marginalize women. Our women are our source. So, Life Otakpe, the next speaker is going to be looking at the role of women. Very, very, very important. Arabinrin, comrade Arabinrin Shola Salako is another energetic soul who is going to be unpacking for us the role of women. Just to read a citation, you know, Arabinrin Shola Salako, she's a seasoned finance professional. Ìṣúná owó, ẹ̀dàmọ̀ pé nílẹ̀ Yorùbá, ìyálọ́jà, ipò ìyálọ́jà, ipò tó ṣe pàtàkì ni. She's a seasoned finance professional with deep expertise in pensions and investments. She serves on multiple boards, offering strategic leadership and guidance. And beyond finance, really, Arabinrin Shola is a passionate cultural advocate. She's committed to empowering communities through education and cultural enrichment. Ladies and gentlemen, Olobiri and Olokunrin, we make welcome Arabinrin Shola Salako. Ẹ ṣé bá mi gbọ́ wọn ní àtẹ́wọ́, ẹ dákun.
Thank you. Thank you. First, I want to thank TYF, or Think Yoruba First, for holding this conference. And then I want to thank them for giving me the opportunity to share a few thoughts with you all. My speech will look at Yoruba women in the last 200 years and the next 200 years. My focus will be on leadership, culture, and heritage and finance. Now, I have some slides. No, you don't have them? I sent them a few days back, which I wanted to use. I should send it to you. Give me my phone. Thank you. I'll send it to you. Who do I send it to? Okay, thank you. Thank you. Excuse me, I'm just sending the slides because I'm just sending the slides so that they can come up as I speak.